Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Facebook Marketplace, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, you have to simply access your app store to check whether if your app is updated or not. Tap on this search box on top, now type in Facebook. You can see afterwards for this Google app we can see the update on top right. If your app shows update instead of open, tap on it, update your app, and that problem will likely to be solved. If in case it's not solving, you have to access your Facebook. In the home section you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? For the sake, you can see in the bottom section we do have our marketplace showing up. If it's on top, you can see you will be able to check out that. If in case it's not, settings icon on top. And now if you scroll a bit here in the section in the preferences, you will find this option of navigation bar. Go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this customize the bar. Here in the section you can see available, friend request, groups, marketplace, profile, video, gaming, and feeds. In the hidden we have none. If in case marketplaces by default is in the hide option in the hidden section, and if you can see here in the bottom section, now we do not have that icon. All you have to do is access the navigation bar from your settings and go to hidden section, choose it to pin, and now you can see we have our marketplace appeared just right there. So, and now hidden section we have nothing. You can do that for any of the icons and services that are not showing, and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.